I'm Chef Sheldon Simeon from Maui, Hawaii.
My name's Chef James Emmanuel Quiet Glasgow.
Father of 4 and world-renowned TV host.
My middle name's Quiet because my dad always has to say, James Quiet.
James is gonna watch a recipe video and he's gonna teach me how to do it.
Sugar in a bowl and they put eggs. Now they're putting ice cream cones on, put icing on top. Oh, make it Minnie Mouse cupcakes.
I'm gonna follow his instruction and make it as accurate as possible. Hey, what's up, man? I'm Sheldon.
I'm James.
James? I love your shirt, man. I'm glad we coordinated Aloha shirts.
I like your shirt also. So we need the white thing.
You show me the way. We need a little bit of salt.
And we need a bowl. We need to dump some in.
Just salt?
It's not salt, it's a different thing.
This is salt. Here, taste it.
Now.
Tastes like salt to me.
Stop.
Okay.
We need some water and some oil. We need both for 2 times, so just dump a little bit
Okay.
in.
You tell me when.
Enough. Now oil.
Okay, now oil.
Enough. A little bit of these.
Okay, we've got hearts and lips. Salt, oil, water.
A little bit of heart.
1 heart, 1 lips,
And a heart.
and a heart,
And 1 more lip.
and 1 more lip.
We need baking powder.
Cake mix,
Nope.
baking powder.
Put it in.
All right, we'll mix that around.
No, we don't mix it
No.
with this. We need a lot more oil and water. Enough.
Okay,
Now oil.
and oil. So where'd you learn this recipe?
Computer. Enough.
Okay,
We're gonna put a little bit.
of so many to choose from.
It's
Red
not
chocolate?
Too much. Not too much.
What is this?
Red chocolate.
Okay,
Now put it in the oven.
we are gonna put this in the oven. Oven or microwave?
Wait. We need one more thing I forgot.
Okay,
The blue icing.
the blue icing. Chef, I mean this with all respect and out of curiosity, but are we sure that this is the step that is next? Okay, yes, chef. It's going in. All right, let's look for that white powdery thing.
Maybe it's big. Like
Cake mix? Okay. All right, going in.
Enough. We need the mixer.
It's a mixer thing right here.
Right there. Yep. That.
Things are falling apart, James, but we're gonna bring it back together. What is wrong with this? You know how to work this thing?
No.
No? I'm gonna make sure that the lips and the hearts get mixed well into this blue.
We need one more thing to make, and it's brown.
We gotta make something brown, but we start off with blue sprinkles.
Yes.
Yes. Boom, sprinkles are in there.
Oh, yes.
Big old
it's-
brownie mix.
Enough. I'm looking for brown frosting.
Brown frosting.
We'll just mix icing together.
Which colors to make brown?
All 4.
All 4. 1, 2, 3,
4.
4.
Mix them together. Put all of it in the bag.
All right.
This bag. I need to squeeze it.
That looks amazing, James. We've got our icing and we've got our crumble.
And now put it in the cones, both of them.
The lips and heart-filled blue thingy. That's it right there.
Let's put those in the microwave in that.
Right in this pan. Let's keep it separated, right?
And we'll put it for 10 minutes. Wait,
That's...
no, 20.
What are we gonna do for 20 minutes?
Dance.
Dance? Dance battle, okay, you first.
Fine. Or we can do, though, a staring contest.
So mesmerizing. Your eyes. Let's take it out the oven. I think it's ready. Ta-da!
Put the icing in that thing and you squeeze it on, and I'll put these on after, okay?
Squeezing it.
All of it. Sheldon, I think we need to decorate these.
What are these for?
The ears. It exactly looks like Minnie Mouse.
It sure does. Exact replica. This is the one that we made, and this is the one from the video.
That they made.
Do we cheers?
Cheers.
Cheers to Minnie. Don't even cheers. Here's nothing. I can taste the hearts and the lips. How about I try the one from the video and you try the one that we made?
Thank you. Mine now, that was yours.
Ours is 100 times better.
That's salty.
Well, that was super fun, man. You know what we say in Hawaii?
What?
Aloha.
Aloha.
Aloha, Minnie Mouse.
Are those gumballs?
These are definitely gumballs.
No. No, because you can't swallow gumballs.
Maybe one or two.
One.